As an 80-year-old maths nerd, I enjoy maths puzzles, no more so than the Crossnerdles at the weekend, with the Pro on Saturday and the Elite on Sunday. This is the Elite from Sunday the 15th of February, and if you want to do it before you see the solution, a link to it is in the description below. Right, we start off and we look around for anything that's really easy, and we find straight away, we can see here 8 times 8 equals 64. That's fine. Nothing else stands out as being that easy, but if we look at this one down here, we've got 9 times, that's going to have to be a number there, so it's going to be 9 30 something equals a 3-digit number. So as I said earlier, it's got to be times. So 9 times that ends in 4. The only thing that works with is 6. So 9 times 36 is 324. We can now look across at this. The equals obviously has got to go there. We've got a 2-digit number ending in 2. An operator 6 equals 7. It can't be subtraction. 12 times minus 6 is 6. It's got to be division. It's got to be 42 divided by 6 equals 7. This then opens up this one down here. We've got 64. The equals has got to go there. So we've got an operator, and to get down to a single digit, it's going to have to be a division. The only factor of 64 which gives a single digit answer is 8, leading to 8 itself. Right, we can look along the bottom now. We've got more information. We've got something ending in 1 plus 8. Obviously we can't add 54 onto that. The only sensible thing we put there is a minus. So looking at the units, we're going to get 1 and 9. 8 is 9, minus 4 equals 5, and that is obviously going to be 51. 59, take away 54 is 5. Right, coming down the side now, we've got times 1 at the bottom equals 5. So this sum here, this division, is going to have to end up as 5. To get 5 times 1 is 5. And the only way we can do that, we can't put a 2 in there because this would have to be in the hundreds. That's got to have to be a 1. So in the end, this is going to be 85 divided by 17 times 1 is 5. Right, we come to possibly the only sum that makes this into an elite, and that's this one down here. Obviously the equals is going to have to go there. 42, we're going to have 6 times 7. But which goes where? Let's just try the 6 to start with. And we've got something here, minus 9 equals 5. This therefore must be 14. And to make 14, this is going to have to be 84. 84 divided by 6 is 14, minus 9 is 5. That looks good. An eighth times, well, I don't know, what's it going to be? We can't have an eighth times 8 equals a double figure, so it looks like the equals is going to have to go there. So 1/8, it's going to have to be times, and you can't add an eighth onto something. But the smallest figure we can get there rather is 80, and 1/8 of 80 is 10. It won't go. So let's forget about that. We'll leave that for the moment. Forget about that. Forget about that. We did it wrong. Let's go back and try that with 7. Once again, this has got to have to be 14. So this is going to have to be 98. Right, we've got 1/9 of whatever this is. Well, 1/9 of 81 is 9. So we're right with the 7. This must be the 6. And there we put the times. Right, that worked out quite well. We're now looking at the top here. The equals is going to have to go there. And we've got something plus a number ending in 6 is 35. Well, 6 and 1 is 7. So this must be an 8. So 8 and 1 is 9. To make 35, we need that to be a 26. We're nearly there. Right, coming down this side, we've got 8 minus 2 and 88. We can't be timesing. The equals is going to have to go there, so obviously this is just going to have to be a plus. So 8 minus 2 is 6, plus 88 is 94. And we're finishing off here now. If the equals went there, we'd have, well, we could add up, but we've got an 80 there. So that's 9 times, that'll have to be multiplication. 9 nines at 81. Well, you can't take away an 80 to get 3. So obviously we were wrong again. The equals doesn't go there. The equals must go there. And now if you look at it, it seems fair enough that 9 times 9 is 81. Minus 8 is 73. We scroll down and find submit, click on the submit, and everything's green. I hope you enjoyed that.